Hello guys, today I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and I'm going to tell you what you have to do if you have forgotten your lock screen password. So actually, the first thing that you have to do is to try to unlock your device, not using here the pattern or just your password. Try using your face unlock, fingerprint, everything that you just have set up. If you still can't because you did, for example, 5 wrong tries to unlock your device, you need to factory reset your device. Of course, you will lose all your data, and you have to remember that. That's why we do backups, and you have to remember that we have to do backups in case we forgot our login password. So, the first thing that you have to do is to hold the power button and volume down button, and click power off and power off again. And here now you need to just enter your password if you remember that, or if you still don't remember the password or can't scan your fingerprint still, you need to now take with yourself some SIM card opener, and now here hold power and volume down simultaneously for 7 to 10 seconds to bypass this menu, and your phone should be automatically turned off. As you can see, now it is turned off. And what you have to do now is to take with yourself a cable. It's first restarted, unfortunately, so we have to do this very quickly. When our phone is turned off and you feel that your phone is turned off, you need to plug this USB Type-C cable with yourself, and it's best to have a cable with data transfer. And if you are sure that you have the cable with the data transfer, at first turn off your device, then plug in USB Type-C cable into your phone, and then hold volume plus and power until you see the Samsung logo. When the Samsung logo comes up, you need to hold only volume up. So now let's do this. Here volume down and power. Here this button, and now we have to hold volume plus and power. Hold only volume up button with your second finger. And now, as you can see, we are in the Android recovery menu. You have to remember that you have to do this very quickly, and don't forget about unplugging the cable. Now you can do this. Here. Now let me zoom in with my very perfect camera. Now, as you can see, we do have Android recovery. And to actually now bypass this, we need to, with the volume down, go to the Live Data Set Factory Reset, click this power button, go down with the volume down again, and click Power Factory Data Reset. Now your phone will be automatically factory data resetted, and you'll see the setup menu. But you have to remember that while setting your phone, you need to log into your Google account that was previously logged into your device. If you don't remember the password, you need to just reset this password, but it's needed because you have factory reset your device via the recovery mode, which is pardon me, which is the method that always stealers, robbers, pocket stealers use this method. And you know, this is only lock for them so that they can't bypass it. And actually that's it. Now you won't have all your data, but you'll have your phone usable. That's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Now I hope that you may and are able to use your phone. Goodbye.